So, you're thinking about using Airwallex? Or maybe you're already a customer and wondering if you made the right choice. Let's dive deep into this fintech giant and see if it's the right fit for your business. Airwallex isn't just another fintech startup. It's a global financial platform that's been making waves in the industry. It offers a range of financial services, from international payments and currency exchange to business cards and expense management. But is it really as good as it sounds? Key benefits of Airwallex. Global reach. One of the biggest advantages of Airwallex is its global reach. It operates in over 150 countries, making it easy for businesses to send and receive money across borders. Competitive fees. Airwallex offers competitive fees compared to traditional banks. This can save businesses a significant amount of money, especially for high-volume transactions. Multi-currency accounts. With Airwallex, you can hold and manage multiple currencies in one place. This can be particularly useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries. Business cards. Airwallex offers virtual and physical business cards that can be used for both domestic and international expenses. Expense management. The platform provides robust expense management tools, making it easy to track and manage business spending. Potential drawbacks. While Airwallex offers a lot of benefits, it's important to be aware of some potential drawbacks. Customer support. Some users have reported issues with customer support, particularly when it comes to complex issues or disputes. Platform complexity. The platform can be complex to navigate, especially for businesses with complex financial needs. Is Airwallex right for you? The best way to determine if Airwallex is right for your business is to carefully consider your specific needs. If you're a small business that needs to make international payments and manage expenses, Airwallex could be a great option. However, if you have complex financial needs or require a high level of customer support, you may want to consider other options. Additional tips. Do your research. Before signing up for Airwallex, it's important to do your research and read reviews from other businesses. Start small. If you're new to Airwallex, start with a small transaction to get a feel for the platform. Take advantage of support resources. Airwallex offers a variety of support resources, including online documentation and customer support. Airwallex is a powerful financial platform that can help businesses save time and money. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. By understanding the benefits and drawbacks, you can determine if Airwallex is the right fit for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.